10 must-have survival gear and gadgets you can't ignore. When it comes to survival, every piece of gear matters. Literally, your life could depend on the right equipment in the right situation. A shocking 60% of survival situations are due to poor preparation, according to survival experts. That's why today, we're diving into 30 must-have survival gear and gadgets you can't ignore. These tools will not only make your next adventure safer and more efficient, but they'll also give you peace of mind knowing that you have the best in the business at your side. So, whether you're an experienced outdoorsman or just starting to prepare, Yeti Tundra 45 Cooler. The Yeti Tundra 45 Cooler is built for those who need their food and drinks cold for long durations. Its robust design includes thick walls, extra insulation, and an airtight lid that keeps ice frozen for days, up to 5 days in 90 DEGF weather. This cooler's high-performance construction makes it ideal for extended trips, whether you're fishing, camping, or preparing for an emergency. The Tundra 45's tough exterior can withstand rough handling, so it's perfect for rugged environments. Despite its durability, it still maintains a manageable size, allowing for easy storage in a vehicle or boat. The cooler is designed with practical features like non-slip feet and a built-in bottle opener, which are invaluable on the go. Keep in mind that this cooler is an investment, but with its heavy-duty design, it's one that will last for years. The Yeti Tundra 45 is perfect for keeping supplies fresh when you need it most. Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Knife. The Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Knife is the epitome of versatility in a compact design. This lightweight and pocket-sized knife comes with 7 essential tools, including a blade, scissors, file, screwdriver, toothpick, tweezers, and a key ring, all packed into a small, durable case. Whether you're using it to cut open a package, fix your gear, or manage a minor first aid situation, this knife does it all. It's ideal for urban survival, hiking, or just day-to-day tasks, offering the flexibility of multiple tools without the bulk of carrying a large kit. Despite its small size, the Classic SD delivers sharp performance and durability, ensuring it won't let you down. Plus, it's a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts due to its practicality and ease of use. Its affordable price tag makes it an accessible choice for anyone in need of a reliable, multi-use tool for everyday carry. GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set. The GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set is a lightweight, compact cooking system that's perfect for those who love outdoor meals. Made from durable, non-stick, anodized aluminum, the set includes everything you need to cook on the trail, from pots and pans to cups and bowls. It's designed for both efficiency and portability, packing into a small space and weighing just a few pounds, making it perfect for backpacking or camping trips. The pots have foldable handles for easy storage and heat-resistant silicone sleeves for added safety when handling. What sets this cook set apart is its Pinnacle non-stick coating, which makes cooking and cleaning up easier, especially in the wilderness. With a unique nesting design, the entire kit fits together, saving space and ensuring that you have all your cooking essentials in one place. Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool. The Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool is a must-have for anyone who takes their outdoor adventures seriously. With 19 tools packed into a single compact unit, this multi-tool is designed to handle everything from setting up camp to preparing meals or even emergency situations. The Signal includes all the essentials like pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, and can openers, but it also features a fire starter, whistle, and a lanyard ring for added utility. Its lightweight, rugged design makes it easy to carry and use with one hand, and its ergonomic handles ensure comfort even during long tasks. One of the standout features is the built-in hammer, ideal for driving tent stakes or handling heavy-duty jobs. Whether you're using it to repair gear, light a fire, or make a quick fix, the Leatherman Signal covers all the bases. Pelican 1040 Micro Case. The Pelican 1040 Micro Case is an incredibly durable, waterproof case designed to protect your essential gear from the elements. It's perfect for storing electronics, first aid kits, documents, or anything else you want to keep safe during your outdoor adventures. Made from high-impact polymer, it's tough enough to withstand drops, impacts, and exposure to the harshest conditions. The airtight, watertight seal ensures that your items stay dry even when submerged in water, which is a game changer when you need to protect sensitive equipment like phones, cameras, or medical supplies. The interior features a customizable foam insert, allowing you to configure the space to fit your specific gear. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to store in your backpack or glove box, ensuring it's always within reach. While it's great for keeping valuables safe, remember that its size is limited, so it's ideal for smaller essential Keen Targhee 3 waterproof hiking boots. The Keen Targhee 3 waterproof hiking boots are a top pick for adventurers who want a balance of comfort, durability, and performance. These boots are designed for all-weather conditions, featuring a waterproof, breathable membrane that keeps your feet dry while allowing sweat to escape. The Targhee 3's mid-cut design provides ample ankle support, while the aggressive tread pattern offers excellent traction on various terrains from muddy trails to rocky surfaces. With a cushioned footbed and a supportive midsole, these boots are ideal for long hikes, offering all-day comfort. The rugged leather and mesh upper provides both durability and flexibility, ensuring your boots can handle tough conditions without sacrificing comfort. Black Diamond Trail Pro Shock Trekking Poles. The Black Diamond Trail Pro Shock trekking poles are engineered to provide stability and comfort during strenuous hikes or uneven terrain. These trekking poles feature a shock-absorbing system that reduces strain on your joints, allowing you to hike longer distances without fatigue. The poles are made from durable aluminum, which strikes the right balance between weight and strength. With adjustable lengths, they can be tailored to your specific height and terrain, ensuring max. The non-slip grips and padded straps provide added comfort and control even during challenging climbs or descents. Additionally, the poles feature carbide tips for better traction on rocky surfaces, which is a great advantage when navigating difficult trails. Patagonia Torrent Shell 3L Jacket. The Patagonia Torrent Shell 3L Jacket is the perfect, lightweight, yet durable solution for staying dry in unpredictable weather conditions. Made from a 3-layer waterproof fabric, this jacket offers exceptional protection from rain while remaining breathable and comfortable during long hikes or active outdoor use. The 100% recycled nylon fabric is both eco-friendly and highly effective at blocking out the elements. With fully taped seams and a durable water-repellent DWR finish, the jacket sheds water quickly, ensuring you stay dry even in the heaviest downpours. The adjustable hood and cuffs add extra protection against wind and rain, and the jacket packs down small, making it easy to store in your pack when not in use. Climate Static Velux Sleeping Pad. If you're looking for a comfortable, lightweight sleeping pad for your outdoor adventures, the Climate Static Velux is a top contender. Designed for maximum comfort and support, the Static Velux features a V-shaped air chamber design that reduces pressure points, ensuring you sleep well, even on rocky or uneven ground. The pad inflates in just a few breaths and packs down small, so it's perfect for backpacking or ultralight camping. Its durable material resists punctures and abrasions, meaning it can handle tough terrain without compromising on performance. With an R value of 6.5, this sleeping pad offers excellent insulation, keeping you warm during chilly nights in the wild. StanSport Canvas Tent. The StanSport Canvas Tent is a classic choice for those seeking a reliable shelter that can withstand the elements. Made from durable, water-resistant canvas, this tent is built for both warmth and breathability, ensuring comfort even in hot or cold conditions. Its spacious design offers plenty of room for gear and multiple occupants, making it ideal for family camping trips or base camps. The heavy-duty frame and robust construction provide stability in windy conditions, while the large mesh windows promote airflow, reducing condensation inside. However, canvas tents tend to be heavier than modern synthetic tents, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something ultralight. For a more rustic, traditional camping experience, the StanSport Canvas Tent is a perfect option that will last for many years with proper care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which gear you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for even more survival tips and gear recommendations in future videos. Stay safe, stay prepared, and happy adventuring!